1 Peter chapter 1 teaches Christians to maintain faith and hope amidst trials. Isaiah chapter 53:5's prophecy, "He was pierced for our transgressions," is fulfilled in Christ's resurrection, providing us a living hope through the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead. God sustains us through suffering, calling us to reflect His holiness through love and obedience. This chapter reassures us of an eternal inheritance and the certainty of salvation, embodying God's profound love as He invites us to live in His grace and reflect His character in a world of challenges. 1 Peter chapter 2 teaches Christians to live as God's holy people through faith and obedience. Isaiah chapter 28:16's prophecy, "See, I lay a stone in Zion," is fulfilled as Jesus is depicted as the cornerstone, aligning with 1 Peter chapter 2:21's, "Christ suffered for you, leaving you an example that you should follow in His steps." God desires us to emulate Christ, enduring suffering while living holy and obedient lives that reflect His love and glory in the world. This chapter highlights God's purpose for believers to grow as a faith community, fulfill His will, and positively impact others with acts of goodness and truth. 1 Peter chapter 3 offers guidance on Christian living and enduring suffering. Psalm 34:15-16, "The eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and His ears are attentive to their cry," connects to 1 Peter chapter 3:7, showing God's work through relationships and prayer. Treat your wives with respect as the weaker partner, and as heirs with you of the gracious gift of life. Reflects God's call to build families and communities with love and respect. God desires us to emulate Christ's suffering with patience, loving and serving one another humbly. This reflects His deep purpose and love, making our lives a testament to His grace and redemption. 1 Peter chapter 4 encourages living in faith and love amidst suffering. Proverbs chapter 10:12, "Love covers over all wrongs," aligns with, "Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins," emphasizing love's power to bring unity and forgiveness. God desires us to love one another, serve with our gifts, and fulfill His will even in hardship. Suffering refines us, drawing us closer to His glory and plan of salvation. God strengthens us through faith, calling us to care for one another and grow together in love and steadfastness. 1 Peter chapter 5 teaches the importance of humility and submission for elders and believers. Proverbs chapter 3:34, "He gives grace to the humble," aligns with, "Humble yourselves, therefore, under God's mighty hand, that He may lift you up in due time," emphasizing humility in awaiting God's grace and glory. God calls elders to shepherd His flock with joy and believers to stay spiritually vigilant, holding firm in faith. This reflects His desire for faith communities to honor one another, trust His guidance in trials, and humbly serve, demonstrating His love and care for His people.